absolutely splendid. And the folk of this town have come out in their droves for this match. Why wouldn't they? It is an ideal circumstance for what could be an ideal game. Everybody has been attracted to it. It has been the talk of the town. And the buses have been packed, double-decker buses lining up outside. Coaches have carried thousands of away supporters here too. And all of it adds up to make a terrific, crackling atmosphere. The match, I think, will be quite a spectacle. Has a hit!
Again, let me mention what a wonderful stop the goalkeeper pulled off there. Really wonderful.
Ruben Diaz plays it forward. Beckham. Sergio Ramos with the crossfield ball. And help's available out wide. And that's been levered clear. And De Bruyne! Oh, that was no routine save.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Played it short. Tries to get it clear. And it's De Bruyne. Has a pop! James. Daniel Alves. Good clearance and very necessary. And it's Dybala. And here's Tevez. Finds himself eased off the ball. And it's been taken short. Tracking back like that, always appreciated by the crowd.
Well, they say that your front lads should be that first line of stopping the opposition, and I think he's taken it to another level with his desire to get back and help everyone out.
Oscar. And here's Messi. De Bruyne gets it back. Sergio Ramos tries to get it forward quickly. Sergio Ramos does well there, alert. Looking to break out here. Now it's Tevez. Messi. Messi! It's anyone's ball.
We'll simply have to tip his hat to the keeper here because that was a magnificent save.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Good save, he got a decent fist on that. That's De Bruyne. I think the first half is done. And both sides have drawn blanks. They have toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game by any means. Interesting half, just missing goals, so don't be surprised if the second half brings a change to the scoreline at the break. 0-0. Here we go again then.
Well, that first 45 minutes didn't deliver as we'd hoped. Lots of effort, but a lack of quality with the finishing has left us hoping that someone could step up and produce something a little more magical.
And it's played forward. Cristiano Ronaldo. He's in! And Owen!
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
James Rodriguez. Well, into the second half, and it's still goalless. Just wouldn't be beaten there. Maldini. Hoists it forward. Sergio Ramos. Not long left, and still we await the breakthrough. Well played, he saw that coming. Ruben Dias. Messi. Gets rid without sophistication. De Bruyne goes on a charge down the left. Now it's Messi. Beckham. Here's the cross. Boateng with the clearance. Cristiano Ronaldo crosses.
Look, this can still go either way. It might be flowing one way, but there's still time for some ebb.
Well positioned to make that interception. To the keeper and try something new. Sergio Ramos. The final 5 minutes. Aguero pushes to get on the end of it. Jerome Boateng. Boateng goes looking. Daniel Alves. And it's Tevez. Messi. Marquinhos. So that's it. It is all over. Well, it looked 0-0 from a fairway out.